Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the positive integer solution of 3 over x plus 4 over y is equal to 5, or multiplying both sides by xy we can write 3 over x times xy plus this 4 over y times xy is equal to 5xy, or this x and x will cancel out, so it will remain 3 times y is 3y plus this y and y will cancel, so it will be 4 times x is 4x is equal to right side is 5xy, or taking this left side to right and writing right side to left, we can write this 5xy minus 3y minus this 4x is equal to 0, or taking common 5y from first two terms, we can write 5y times this 5y is common, so it will be x minus 3y over 5y, this y will be cancelled, so it will be 3 over 5, so it will be 3 over 5, and to make x minus 3 over 5 here we have to take common negative 4, so it will be negative 4 times this x minus 3 over 5, so x minus 3 over 5 is equal to, it will be negative 4x, so there is negative 4f, and negative 4 times negative 3 over 5, so it will be positive 3 times 4 is 12 over 5, so to make balance there will be 12 over 5, this 12 over 5 will cancel from both sides, or taking common x minus 3 over 5, we can write x minus 3 over 5, it will remain 5y minus this 4 is equal to, right side is 12 over 5. Now multiplying both sides by 5, we will have 5 times this x minus 3 over 5 times this 5y minus 4 is equal to 12 over 5 times 5, or if we multiply these two terms, 5 times x is 5x minus this 5 and 5 will cancel, so it will be 3 times this 5y minus 4 is equal to this 5 and 5 will cancel, so it will be 12 is equal to, 12 can be written as 1 times 12 or 2 times 6 or 3 times 4. Here x and y are integer, so when x is equal to 1, then 5x minus 3, it will be 5 times 1 is 5 minus 3, it will be 2. And when x is equal to 2, then 5 times 2 is 10 minus 3 is 7. And when x is equal to 3, then 3 times 5 is 15 minus 3 is 12. And for next value of 3, this value will be greater than 12. So from here, when y is equal to 1, then 5y minus 4, it will be 1. and when y is equal to 2, then 5y minus 4, so 5 times 2 is 10 minus 4 is 6, and when y is equal to 3, then 3 times 5 is 15 minus 4 is 11, and for next value of y it will be greater than 12. Now if we try to make this combination 1 and 12, so here for y is equal to 1, then this value will be 1, and for x is equal to 3, then this value will be 12. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of this equation. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. For x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1, it will be 12 times 1 is 12. And to make this combination 2 and 6, so for x is equal to 1, then this value will be 2, and for y is equal to 2, then it will be 6. So this is another combination. So for x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, there will be another solution. And to make this combination, there is no 3, so this two term cannot be 3 for integer solution, so there is no such combination. So there are only two solutions of this equation for positive integer value. One is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1, and another is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.